I'm at Portland Nursery on Stark Street for the last weekend of Apple Tasting Festival, and I'm with Sarah. And so, Sarah, what's different this year for us to see and do?
Yeah, well, we're always kind of changing up our varieties. So this year we have the Green Dragon Apple, which is a green apple, but it's very, very sweet. So it's been a very popular item so far. We've got some limited supplies, so don't be mad if you come down and we're out, but we do have it, as of now.
That is cool. I've never heard of that. So really, we've been coming year after year after year, but really there's always something to see and do that's just a little bit different to come and discover.
We try to mix it up a little bit, but you always keeping the classics. So if we're out of what you need, we always have, there's an apple for you. We will find an apple for everybody that that people will like. So.
Yeah, and what is happening this weekend then for the last weekend?
Yeah, we've got more good stuff going on. We've got our fresh pressed cider tasting. We've got some really great vendors, some hard cider, some treats like caramel apples and strudel. And then we've got the tasting, of course, kids activities, live music. It's just a full out fall festival.
Oh, it really is so much fun. So really, after the show, you have to wait for the end of the show, then come on out with your family and friends to the Portland Nursery on Stark Street and have a great time. For more information, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click over to their website and you can find out all the details. Thanks so much, Sarah. Have a blast.
Thank you.